Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 3 video for building a rock paper scissors game. In the last time we left off showing you how the random choice is work in Python, and also I show you how can we use that syntax in our project. I did not write a long code in the last video because I was explaining you some stuff, but in this video I will try to build so many stuff here to minimum I will try to build half of the project, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back with the code. In the last time I also show you how can we import a library from our device, and I also show you how this random choice list is work, and I'm not going to talk about this now, but let's continue to build our project. Okay. Here we are going to take from input from our user, and then we are going to evaluate it here if the input is R or P or S. If doesn't, you're going to looply going to ask the person to do that. So we are going to get a choice value here from the user, and then also we are going to get randomly selected by this library randomly going to choose something from 3 characters, R or P or S, and then after that we are going to do some code, and then we are going to print it out who is the winner it is. So I will explain what does this the codes that I'm writing right now, and then also I will talk while I'm writing the code. So we can say if choice is R and Python choice, you know what, let's change this to user choice just to be readable. If choice is R, and then Python choice is, you know what, before I do that let me do this one. If choice and if user choice, this one and then this one is equal, if the person are guessing the same with the Python that's randomly chosen, we are going to do print. We can print tie game, and let me explain you what it is. Okay, if the person, if we choose, for example, if we choose R, and then if the Python, I mean the code is randomly choose R, we will going to say tie game, because there is no winner. So that's what we do. This going to if this true, we're going to print it out this one, and this show this going to compare if those two are equal, or we can also use this symbol. This means if those are not true, these are not equal, which means these text here are true. Or if they are equal, if they are the same, these text here are going to, character will going to be false. If you are wanted to learn about this thing, you can search up, or you can go back to my Python tutorial video and you can watch that video if you want. And that's what we are going to do, because also in the real life, if the person are choose rook and some person also choose rook, it is tie game and they will going to do it again, right? Okay. Excuse me. Okay, after that also we need other if statement. So I explained in the other video, if you want to watch how the if else if and then else statement is working in Python. If you want to watch that video, you can find that in my playlist. Type where here. Okay, if choice are rook, this is we can, okay, I think we have to get this. And user choice in Python. Choice. And so have here a type here. Choice. Okay. Here we can say if choice are rook, and then if the person chooses rook, and then if the persons are less say is Caesar, we can say print E1. Okay, let me explain what that I just did here. The code going to first that I explained first here, I will going to see if those are the same. If that happen, I will going to print out this, and this going to be ignored. But if doesn't, you are going to come here, and then you're going to check if the user choice is rook, and then here the Python choice is Caesar. We're going to print it out, because if the person are choice R, and then if the other person choice Caesar, the person that are choice rook going to be win, right? So that's why we do that, because here here is the person our choice R, so it is going to say U1. Okay, also we did that, and then also what's other way that the person are going to win is if the person are choice paper, and then is Python is choice rook, that's also going to be the person going to win. And then I will going to write those things. Okay, I'll see if you know what, I will copy this, then I will do some change. Because it is wasting of time. Okay, I will change this to S, then this to R, and then this to this to P, right? Scissor, paper. Yep. So I will change this to paper, and then this into rock. Yep. This person are going to win. This is a possible way that the person going to win. We can also write for the computer. We can also write this line of code again and then change it to this, into this, and then we can do that. But instead of doing that, there's only if this is not going to happen, which means the computer is going to win, right? Think about that. There's only 3 ways that the user is going to win, right? And then there's only 3 ways that going to be tie, the game going to be tie, and then there's only 3 ways that computer are going to be win. That's the possible outcome going to be happen, right? So we can also write in the code. We can do that, but it will going to be a high bunch of code, but instead of doing that, we can just do, let me show you, else print you lost. Okay, and let me explain you that the code going to be going to be look this every if statements, and then if there is no if those are not true, which means it will going to be those 3 outcomes. So you're going to print out you lost. If this not make sense, I would suggest you to watch other videos. I hope those videos, other people that makes these topics are explained this very well. If you are not understand it, you can watch that. Or if it does not also not make sense, I suggest you to write the code in yourself, and then I hope you will going to understand it. And let's check out our code so far. Okay, you see, we build this in the past, and then say welcome to rock paper scissors game, and then put R for rock, put P for paper, put S for scissors. So let's choose rock. Just okay. What's my problem? You see, I have a problem here. If choice, where is it? Didn't get it. Oh, okay. You see, I get my problem here. If you see that previously, I changed this to be readable just here, and I did not change this also. I just only changed this one and those here. So that's why this says error. And let me run this one again, and it says put R. Okay, let's again choose R for rock. Tie game. Okay, which means the computer also chose R. Let's run this again, and let's choose again R. Again tie game. Okay, let's run this again. Again, what? 3 times tie game. Let's choose our game tie. Okay guys, I'm back. I was distracted. Okay, let's run this again. I don't know why, but it is getting 3 times a tie game. Let's try this again. Okay, finally some persons are won and I lost again. Let's just run this again. Let's choose before this one again. I lost. Let's choose it. You lost. Okay, our program is going well. In the next video I will going to adjust something here. Probably this is very good. We are in a good position and we can run this again and then we can play again if you want, but I will going to adjust this thing in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.